Okay, so now I'm going to talk about how to combine and merge two different primitive objects into one shape, right? So I'm going to combine this cylinder with this cube. So first of all, right, I need to make sure that where I'm going to attach these two objects, that I have enough divisions to cleanly merge them and attach them together. So let's say if I am, for instance, changing the subdivisions axis down to 8, right, and I'll add some divisions to the height here just to retain the shape. If I go in subdivisions, I still have a very circular looking cylinder. So if I have 8 divisions here and I am going to connect it to this cube, that means I need to at least have 2 divisions on each face for this face to connect to this face here and this face to connect to this face here. So if I turn on wireframe unshaded, alright, we can illustrate this a bit more easily. So if I was to just add one division, well, 2 divisions, right, per face, alright, we can see now that if I was to delete these top faces here, and also if I was to delete all of these faces here, right, once I combine these two polygons together as one, I can simply bridge across this edge to this edge to this edge, and so forth all the way around, right? Because if I count up all of these edges, this cylinder has 8 edges around, and this top of this cube here also has 8 edges all the way around. Actually, I should not have undid or deleted those faces as yet, so I'm just going to undo and get back those faces, because what I want to do is I really want to get this directly into place before I do the connection. So I want to snap this pivot down, press D and align it there, press D again, and now I want to snap it. To snap it to this point, I just press and hold V and drag it with the middle mouse button. Right, now I know it's in place, so I can get rid of these faces here on the cube, these top faces, and these bottom ones here. Right. I'm just going to select both of these now and go to Mesh, Combine. So now this is one polygon object, right? If I select this one, I select both of them. If I select this one, I select both of them. They are one object now. So now I simply have to select all of these top edges here. I'm just going to double click and get that border edge, and this one here as well. And with those selected, if I just go to Edit Mesh, Bridge, right, that connects them, bridges them across. One tool that I didn't show you, which is an alternative if bridge is not an option, if you can actually in mesh tools, a pen to polygon tool, you can connect one at a time. So I click this edge and I click this edge and press enter. Right, so that's one way you can do it. But if you know you have an even number of edges to connect, then it makes more sense to go with the bridge option. Alright, so I'm going to get rid of these edges here to make those quads, and I'm going to add some loops here to bevel out this shape when it's smooth, and I'll probably just extrude in these faces here, control down there. Alright, if I was to smooth this now, right, see this, the cube is getting smooth, but if I want that cube to retain its shape and be beveled, then I need to select these edges around here. Alright, I think I have all those edges. I'm going to edit mesh, bevel, and reduce diffraction, and just add a segment, and that should be it. If I take off wireframe and shaded, you see I've successfully combined a cylinder with a cube. Oh, and by the way, to delete history, I believe I said the wrong thing, but I did the right thing. It's Alt Shift D, not Alt Shift Delete. Alt Shift D. Alright.